Okay, so I decided to try cabinet roller. So hopefully this will solve the issue with the bubbling, uh, and maybe I'll get a smoother finish. I don't know.
All
It's
right,
definitely
just pulled the tape off. Just need to clean her up.
all right. Quick update. So this is where I'm at. This is the second coat, and you can see it's got quite a shine. It's high gloss. It's very hard paint. Um, so what I've been doing is you can see like I don't know if you can see this, but oh, there we go. You can see those little nicks and those little bumps. I'm gonna knock those off with just a little scuff pad. Might be stupid, but you know what? That's what I got, and it seems to be working pretty good. And knock those down a little bit. You can hear them. I can do this because it's not the final coat, but yeah, they get knocked down pretty good. Pretty good with that. Doesn't really scratch the surface, so I'm gonna go with that. And I'm gonna find all the little spots and get ready for the next coat. Hopefully, the final coat. All right, I don't know if you can see this, but you can see the bubbles. I'm just gonna go over it. I can't see the bubbles. But anyway, I'm just gonna go over it with my roller again. So this is the third coat, final coat for me. I'm out of paint. This is not even dry yet, and this looks absolutely, I mean, I couldn't ask for any more. Got all most of the little bubbles out. You'll see those will subside, those little bubbles. But the shine on it is just absolutely amazing for what I mean, I don't even care about shine, but all right, we'll see how she cures, and then we'll wet sand her, buff her out. The best part here is finally taking off all this tape. So, oh yeah, this is the best part. And that's gonna suck. Oh, look at that. Isn't that a bitch? Okay. Catastrophe avoided. Oh shit, still wet. Gotta be careful. Still wet. Got some paint. It's okay, it's okay, it's just paint. Yep, Semper Fi, motherfuckers. This is the spot I was worried about. It's okay. I have touch-up paint. And I'm gonna need some goo gone. But I expected some cleanup, so it is what it is. The seal will probably get replaced anyway. I have to get a new windshield. I have a big crack in it, so I'm not too worried about this. It's boogered up. Same with the windshield. I don't know if you can see that crack, but yeah, there's a huge crack in it. So, but that was satisfying. Oh, okay. Whoa. That's gonna be a bitch to get off, but it's okay. That's gonna be covered by trim anyway. And I'm not using Land Rover trim, you'll see. All right, here's the almost final product. You can see I have some Cleaning up to do around the seals, to be expected. And some overroll. But, I mean, painted over the seals here because I just silicone those glass back in. They're really not really back in. Have to do some cleanup on this glass, and then, like I said, those seals were getting a little dry rotted, so I just put some UV rated silicone in there for now. I didn't want them to leak. Don't care if it looks crappy, it's functional. And then you know, like I said, some cleanup around the seals. I may eventually have to take the rails off and do some touch-up work, but yeah, that seal is gonna get replaced. The windshield, like I said, is getting replaced, so I might have to do some touch-up work underneath that seal. But overall, I'm happy with the results. I'm just waiting for the paint to cure before I go ahead and decide whether I want to wet sand it or not. So we'll see. What do y'all think? Drop it in the comments below if you think I should wet sand and then polish. I don't know. It's a lot of work. My arms hurt. All right, after a bit of a wash, cleaned all the windows, tried to get most of the paint off, had some overspray. Do your diligence. Make sure you cover your whole vehicle. Make sure you cover every piece of glass. Make sure you cover every piece of the vehicle if you can. I didn't, so I had to do some extra work, but it is what it is. So, lesson learned. But look at that shine, baby.